quick magic trick for you. Got these are random numbers and nothing in my hands at all. These are random numbers. I'm going to draw one out. I'm going to set it aside for the moment. I want to show you this vending machine just to let you see that it is a real vending machine and there's nothing inside. And you can see all the numbers, see everything clear. This deck of cards is sealed and has not been opened. The seal has never been broken on it. We're going to open it right now. Maybe. Break the seal. I'm going to remove the advertisement cards out and the jokers. Removing out the jokers and just having just regular cards. I'm going to shuffle them up real quick. Kind of bear with me, I'm not a Vegas dealer or anything like that. Shuffle them one more time. Once again, forgive me and bear with me. I'm not a Vegas dealer at all. That was just terrible. I'm going to try that again. Now I'm going to take the bottom card without looking at it. Nothing in my hands. I'm going to show you the bottom card of the deck. It's totally random. I'm not going to look. Go over to the vending machine. Put a dollar in. Oh. Guess I need to look at the number. Number 120. I'll go ahead and bring you over closer so you can see that I am pressing number 120. Lay's potato chips. Let me grab it out real quick. Bag is sealed. There's nothing open. There's nothing in my hands. Nothing in the bag. And hopefully, this is your card. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.